Hey guys, this is how quick is your response time. You should have already finished your work on parallelization, and Mrs. Linan would check that you've finished the top of this lab. And here are the answers. So your brain and spinal cord are part of the central nervous system. Sensory neurons start sending messages to the brain and spinal cord, and motor neurons bring them back to have muscles react. Each neuron has 3 parts: dendrite, cell body, and axon, in that order. Dendrite receives the message, cell body takes on the message through to the axon at the end. Also put that a synapse is the space between each so that your neurons aren't touching. Alright, so you should be ready to check your reaction time. So I'm going to pause for a minute and let you read this. Okay, go ahead and pause. Alright, so you should have just paused, and you're reading that you had a partner holding the ruler just above your hands. Make sure you are going to drop it unexpectedly. So here's your rulers from your lab stations. It says make sure you start at the 0 end of the ruler, which is right here. And you're going to hold that upward. One of your partners will hold that upward like this, be just above the other person's hands. The other person will have their hands about a thumb's width apart. They measure it, and then they do this. And they wait for you to drop right between, and you clasp your hands with it. So one person above with the ruler, 2 hands clasping the ruler, and then once the person, if they can catch the ruler, you're going to measure where their first finger lands. Oh, that's on the 9 right there. So I would then make a data table. It asks you to make a data table with 5 trials between you and your neighbor. So here's an example of a data table. You and whoever is your partner. And then let's pretend your fingers caught it at 11 centimeters right there. And then that would be your 11 centimeters. And then you do your next trial. Oh, let's say, ooh, I did better. I'm at 7 this time. 7 and so on. Hopefully you get a lower number each time. And then your partner gets to catch. All right, and then pause. I'll let you guys finish. Go ahead and pause. All right, now we're back for hot hands. And hot hands, go ahead, and I hope you've already read it, but if not, a lot of you know how to play hot hands. So go ahead and set up your data table. All right, me, neighbor, whatever their name is. You're going to do 5 trials, kind of like the last. All right, just a quick data table. You can use your ruler to help you if you want. And you're going to do a yes or no, or a point or no point for each time you can slap your partner's hands. One partner is palms up. The other partner lays their hands just above them, palms down. And then the person underneath tries to flip their hands over and slap when you least expect it. Or flip them both over and slap. And that's considered a point. So if you were able to hit your neighbor's hands the first time, yes, maybe second time, no, third time, no, fourth time, yes, whatever. And see how many times you can hit your neighbor's hands and see how fast the reaction time is. After that, you're going to answer some questions and show Mrs. Linan. All right, good luck, guys.